Hello everybody, I am Architect Sudarshini from Neram Classrooms. This video is about the notification we have received yesterday from Council of Architecture related to the regulations for the BR course and regarding the admissions for the 2020 batch. So what they have explained in the notification to be in a clearer way is any candidate who has passed the 12th standard with physics, chemistry, maths as a core subject will be eligible to apply for the architecture course. So there are two eligibilities. One among that is this one, like the person who has passed in 12th grade with physics, chemistry, maths as the core subject could apply for the BR course. Earlier it was a mandatory of 50 percentage is required for a candidate to apply for the BR course. He should have scored 50 percentage in his 12th grade with physics, chemistry, maths as a core subject. But now they have relaxed it, like even if that candidate is just passed in his 12th grade 50 percentage, he would be eligible to apply for the BR course. And the second regulation states that the particular candidate should have applied for the NATA or JEE examination and should have been qualified in that aptitude test. So any candidate who has applied to NATA or JEE and has been qualified in the examination will be eligible for the admission of the BR course for the academic session 2020 to 2021. We all know that this particular relaxation is given because of this pandemic that we all are facing for this particular year and for this particular mode of period of admission. This will be the regulation we would be following. So I feel this information would have been beneficial to the aspiring architects, and keep supporting NADM classrooms. And if you have any queries related to ebooks and aptitude chapters and how do we teach, and regarding the new syllabus, they have framed some new syllabus for the upcoming NATA examination. So if you have any queries related to that, or if you want to join our classes, and if you want to join for the JW training and the drawing coaching and all those, you can contact NADM classrooms and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.